I want to follow you on YouTube and Instagram too, inshallah.
I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, thanks, man. Me? Thanks, boss. I came from Philly for this, man.
Where'd you get that?
Extra chicken on this one.
Extra chicken on this one?
Yeah, appreciate it.
All the veggies?
Onion and cilantro.
White and the green sauce?
A little extra white and 3 lines of green.
Okay.
All right.
Spicy sauce? Use chip cheese.
Excellent.
I mean, one more?
My man.
Oh, 2 for?
Brother, thank you very much. Excellent. Holy shit. That's fire.
I gotta get you done before you leave, inshallah.
Yeah. Catch and cook PA. I don't got much light in here. My God. $11 for all this. It's a fucking steal. I drove 2.5 hours to get here, and it's worth it. It's my 3rd time coming. Oh my God. Spicy. The first time I came here, I did spicy nacho Doritos, and then I did the regular blue bag of sunshine. Then I did the regular blue bag of sun chips, and now I got buffalo ranch, blazing buffalo and ranch. There's a reason they're almost at 1 million followers on Instagram. There's a reason there's a line all the way like half a block in here. It's in a parking lot behind a McDonald's. This is seriously incredible. I'm not even playing with you. I know Keith Lee said his was cold, and it's a cold night tonight. It's like 30 degrees, but not for me. This is fantastic. Oh my God. Watch out for that green sauce. It's hot. I got extra chicken with red onion, cilantro, extra white sauce, and like 3 lines of that green sauce. Gotta be careful with that green sauce. It's got a great spice to it, but if you're not particularly into it, you might just want to bypass it. I'm giving this time around, a 9.3 out of 10. It's made from scratch, made with love. They're good people, and this is a great price. Oh my God. Have you been here before? Leave a comment in the comment section. If you enjoyed this review, I know the light is a little weird, but hit that like and subscribe button. I know what this calls for after this. So we'll be right back. Let's go. FLAVORHIVE, Alexandria, Virginia.